Either in the continuation of understanding the biodiversity of organisms that we have here on Earth, let's continue discussing the two remaining vertebrates in our list. We haven't talked about the mammals and fish, right? So bear with me. Beginning with mammals. So let's take a look of the characteristics of mammals. They are warm-blooded animals, meaning their body temperature doesn't change even when the temperature of the environment changes. The body has the ability to make it constant. Another, the bodies of mammals are partly or sometimes completely covered with hair or even fur, like you. Aside from that, most mammals develop their young inside their mother's body, mother's womb, and fully formed when they are born. They don't usually lay eggs, right? Let us see, but there are some, I think, who lay it. Mammals breathe through their lungs. Another, most of them lived on land, and some other mammals live in water. These are the different kinds of mammals, beginning with monotremes, like what I told you, some of them lay eggs. Monotremes, they are considered to be egg-laying mammals. They are reptile-like, but they are not totally reptiles. The examples of monotremes are the platypus. Another, the anteater. Another are called marsupials because they are pouch mammals. They have pouch wherein they are going to place their youngs inside the pouch until it grows. Examples are, I have the kangaroo and the opossum. They are pouched mammals. Another kind of mammals are the placental mammals. They develop their young in their uterus, like this one. There are some placental mammals based on what they eat. They are insect-eating mammals, like the mole and hedgehog. There are some mammals or considered to be mammals like they are flying placental mammals like bats. They are active at night. They feed on insects, fruit, pollen, or small animals. And since the eyes are not fully performing its function, they are using their ears. And they are using echolocation to locate the food for them to be able to feed themselves. We also have rodents, mammals, like mice, beavers. Another placental mammals such as the hoofed mammals by looking at their feet, like pigs and deer. We also have aquatic mammals, aquatic placental mammals, like whales and dolphins. Meat-eating mammals, carnivores, are like cats and dogs. We also have primate mammals, like gorilla or baboon. So those are the characteristics of mammals. What about this last vertebrates in our list, the fish? So fish are cold-blooded animals or ectotherms. A cold-blooded animal's body temperature changes when the temperature of the air or water around it changes, because their body don't have the capacity to maintain the temperature and they have to look for ways in order to maintain the temperature. Most fish have vertebral column, they have jaws, paired fins, scales, gills, and a single loop blood circulation. Fish, they breathe with the use of their gills, and look at the demonstration and how it happens. Aside from that, a fish usually has tails and paired fins on its back and its belly that enables them to swim for locomotion. They also have the scales or covered with scales. Fish has a lateral line here. You can see that. On each side of their body, the sense organ feels vibration from the boat, people, and other animals. They lay eggs in water. Their young are hatched from eggs. So therefore, those are the characteristics of mammals and fish. And I hope you learned something from it. Thank you for listening. Bye.